Hi, Derek with Continental Door here. I'm going to show you today the photo eye system on a linear operator. So there's two parts to photo eyes. You got your sender, which is here, receiver, which is over there. And you can always tell the difference between a sender and a receiver. This red light down here will cancel and will not illuminate anymore once the signal is misaligned, bumped, continuity issue, and then once it becomes aligned again, it'll illuminate. The green lights on your sender and your receiver are power lights. It's just notifying you that you have power. So as soon as that is canceled, it'll shut that light off. So if your door, and this only prevents the door system from closing. So the first thing you're going to want to do is, let's say your garage door was not closing, is I like to come to your wall switch. And as you can see, that photo eye is not aligned. So if you were to push this wall button, it'll click and go back up. So if you push and hold the wall switch, you'll be able to close the door, and that will tell you that there's an issue with the photo eye system, because by pushing and holding, you're overriding the safety device. Now there are a couple things that can preclude the photo eyes from working. Believe it or not, dogs like to chew on this low voltage wire, especially puppies. If you store them in your garage, obviously check that the wire is broken. You got wire nuts here with your connection. You could have a broken wire there, always check that. Polarity does not matter on a linear motor. Make sure they're aligned. The next thing you're going to want to check is that the housing's dust-free and clean. They could be just cobwebs or something, debris in the photo eyes. And the last thing is, if you look on the back of the motor head, you got 3 terminal screws up here. So you always want to look and make sure. So you got your common, which is in the middle, your push button, your beam. You want to make sure that these both are connected well and you have continuity. If one of these were broken or had an issue there, it would terminate your system. You also have, if you look here and you can zoom in, a diagnostic chart. You'll see that 3 flashes, which I'll run for you right now. If that light lens flashes 3 times, that is a photo eye issue. So if the photo eye beams were to be canceled, it'll go back up and click 3 times. Always count the series of flashes. They mean something different from 1 to 7, and you'll see in that diagnostic chart that what the readout is. And generally I find the more flashes, the more severe the issue. But feel free to call us at Continental Door, our number, or find us online, and we'll be more than happy to help. Thank you.